Good evening. Magandang gabi. Hello, hello. So I can see the laughter in your eyes kahit na medyo gabi na, masaya pa rin po lahat. So, wait ha, kasi before I begin, I would like to acknowledge the effort of the Fellowship Committee. Headed by di masabi, very demure, very mindful, kumare. Ay, palapakan po natin si Ami and all the Fellowship Committee, kayo, Dr. Pasambay, Dr. Andisit, Dr. Villanos, po. Alam niyo kung sino kayo, alam ko nag-report sa Ami. Thank you very much for this very successful fellowship night. Okay. Dr. Ani asked me to deliver a soda. Ano soda? Anak ko yung soda eh, no? Parang State of the Department address. Okay. Bumabag niyo po kasi bilog ang buwan. Okay, so sige ito. In celebrating 60 years of excellence in pediatrics at SBMC, today as we gather to celebrate a significant milestone, I am filled with immense pride and gratitude. The Department of Pediatrics of Southern Philippines Medical Center reached an extraordinary landmark. 60 years of dedicated service, innovative care, and unwavering commitment to the health and well-being of our Filipino children. So hindi lang po yan SBMC, to our senior graduates, it's BMC, Davao Medical Center, or even Davao Regional Medical and Training Center. Ano pa man po ang tawag niyan, isa lang po tayo, isang pamilya tayo. And meron pa po ba nitong nag-train sa under Davao General Hospital? Oh, wala na, sabi ko, wala. Pero wala talaga kasi hindi na po natin naabutan yun. That was way back 1958. So, okay, James? Okay. So, there's some video that presented by the teacher committee, si Dr. Stephanie. Ito yung ginawa niya, ni Steph. Over the past 6 decades, okay, the Department of Pediatrics has achieved numerous milestones. So, nasabi na kanina, but I'm going to summarize that the greatest achievement is certainly our graduates. The pediatricians we created. We have proudly trained 220 successful pediatricians. To practice not only throughout Mindanao, but also across the Philippines. Our role as educators is a source of immense pride with our residency and now even fellowship programs equipping the next generation of pediatricians to meet tomorrow's challenges. We have also nurtured subspecialists in pediatric oncology, nephrology, critical care, and cardiology. Notably, we have the first institution outside Metro Manila to offer subspecialty training in these fields. Soon, we will introduce fellowship programs in pediatric pulmonology, neonatology, infectious disease, Dr. Lobo, developmental medicine, Dr. Mervin, nandiyan kayo, and potentially hematology. Tama ba, Grace? Yes. Not to mention the international linkages, we have our regular leukemia lymphoma arm with St. Jude Children's Hospital in Memphis, a regular case presentation with Johns Hopkins Hospital. Alam niyo po yung mga residents natin, nagpe-present po sila every 2 months sa Johns Hopkins Valley Zoom. Now, we present our case and their consultants and residents give their feedback, they get the diagnosis. Most of the time, medyo hindi, minsan naman nakukuha nila. At the same time, nag-represent din yung residents nila sa atin, and we are giving the diagnosis to them. So, it's a mutual win-win situation for us, Johns Hopkins and kami. Then, and do you know that some of our deserving residents have an outside rotation? May outside rotation na pong SBMC. Hindi po sa Manila, hindi po sa Cebu. Sa Johns Hopkins Hospital. Nakita niyo si Dr. Rita Andico, she had her rotation last year. And now, Dr. James, Dr. James, and Dr. Tracy, our chief residents, they will be rotating in Johns Hopkins. Yung si next November 2024. And Tracy Santa Maria was awarded as a parang fellowship scholarship at sa Boston's Hospital. Tutuloy-tuloy na rin po niya yan. So, congratulations, James, Yularan, and Tracy Santa Maria. So next, with SPMC's 1,500 bed capacity na po tayo, I think yung DMC 400 and yung 600, soon to expand 1,800. We are applying for 1,800 bed capacity this year. Our institution is now the largest DOH hospital in the country. We proudly offer a wide array of healthcare services, state-of-the-art medical and surgical facilities, and comprehensive health professional training programs. We have our cancer diagnostic center, we have the PET scan, MRI, several CT scans, etc. No? Our growth includes the establishment of specialty institutes such as the Institute of WH or Institutes for Women and Newborn Health, Cancer Institute, the Mindanao Heart Center. Right now, we have already 9 institutes at SPMC, and we are also working on new institutes, including, syempre, our Children and Neonatal Institute. Yung kanina diyang building na maraming color, yun po yung magiging bagong tahanan ng Department of Pediatrics, CNI. That is a 5-story building that's supposed to be endorsement sa akin ni Dr. Lobo. Dapat ang 2021 endorse na sa atin. Pero wala pa po. But it's about 80% complete na raw. Then, we're going to have also our toxicology institutes of infectious disease and tropical medicine, trauma care, eye care, lung institutes, renal care, marami pa po institutes. But our concern is the Children and Neonatal Institutes. Okay. Our SPMC compound now boasts to 66 buildings. Yung SPMC piniputahan po natin, 66 buildings na po siya, each contributing to our comprehensive care. We are serving about, sa pediatrics, sa Department of Pediatrics, serving about 2,000 admitted patients every month and more than 2,000 outpatient consultations every month. Our department has been a pioneer in pediatric research, contributing valuable insights and developing new treatments. Our research initiatives have expanded our understanding of childhood diseases and group treatment protocols. Actually, we have even produced 2 national clinical practice guidelines submitted to DOH and approved, funded po ng DOH, focusing on acute lymphoblastic leukemia with Dr. Grace Pexon as the team leader. Siya po si Grace, and Burkitt's lymphoma as myself as the team leader. So, and of course, the different researches and case reports made by our residents, fellows, and consultants. Not to forget the community involvement of our department. We actively engage with different community through the years. None of these achievements would have been possible without the extraordinary efforts of our dedicated team, our consultants and residents who were assigned to our adopted communities. Your passion, skill, and commitment are the driving force behind this success. Thanks to your efforts, SPMC's Department of Pediatrics is the first level 4 PPS accredited hospital outside Metro Manila. So as we celebrate our past, we must also look to the future with anticipation. The field of pediatrics continues to evolve, presenting new challenges and opportunities. Our future goals include, in advancing pediatric care, we will continue to embrace new technologies and methodologies to enhance our care delivery and remain at the forefront of pediatric medicine. Soon we will have our first pediatric kidney transplant at SPMC as promised by Dr. Tess Banes, the intersection head of nephrology. And how about first bone marrow transplant also in Mindanao? And bibig lang po mangarap, no? Mahirap talaga yun, pero I believe that the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. So, fostering research, we will intensify our research efforts, focusing on areas with the greatest potential for improving outcomes and addressing emerging health concerns thanks to no other than the research kuno, Dr. Chen Dubas. Nandyan po siya. Siya yung talagang parang spine ng research committee ng department. Kasi alam niyo naman itong mga residents natin, hindi sila makakakuha ng specialty board exam without the big C, which is the big R or research. Sorry, okay. So as we celebrate the 60 years of excellence, let us take a moment to reflect on our journey with pride and gratitude. Our achievements are a testament to the hard work and dedication of everyone involved. We have 46 Pantilla consultants now. We have 4 honorary consultants. The 4th honorary is Dr. Shasu. Nagsabit ka na ito na by force. And 6 volunteer consultants. As for the residents, we have 36 residents now. Kulang pa po yan kasi we need 24. We're recruiting for 24 more slots kasi we're allowed to have 60 PEDIA residents. Sige, recruit lang. Mag-working sa marami ngayon. We have also 11 fellows in training in cardio, oncopedic care, and nephrology. So, mag-recruit pa po kami. As we look to the future, let us continue to build our legacy with the same passion and commitment that have defined our past. Thank you for your unwavering support and dedication. Together, we continue to make a profound impact on the lives of children and families we serve. Here's to the next 60 years of excellence in pediatric care, and thank you very much.
Thank you very much once again, Dr.